From OpenGL Programming Guide, 7th edition. In this book, Chapter 3, Viewing Examples of Composing Several Transformations, Building a Solar System. Building Solar System. If you scroll down, you can find Example 3.6, Planetary System. We will examine this code. Open up Visual Studio Code, Electricity and Magnetism. Click this button, 038 PushPopMatrix. Click this button, Earth.cpp. Ctrl B. I will copy and paste these links. If you want to follow my current and future sessions, you have to install required tools listed here. For example, you have to install OpenGL tools. Include CPG, SCD, extensions. Include GL, Pre, Glut. Now I will copy the code from here, copy, paste, then copy, paste. In the next page, copy, paste. I will arrange by indenting. Also, here I will indent. Then find this smart quote. We replace with a straight quote. Replace all. Once again, smart quote. Replace all. Then this is function main. So we copy and paste it from this book. This is example 3.6. Example 3.6, Planetary System. We will build this program. Open up your command prompt. cd 038 PushPopMatrix ICX CL QSDD C++20 EHSC FNO SQL us.cpp oi.exe. Hit enter. We built successfully. So this our first attempt. Please observe this sphere carefully. This book says the bigger sphere is Sun, the smaller sphere is planet or Earth. In our case, I will assume the bigger sphere is Earth, the smaller sphere is Moon. Now I press Y key. It rotates counterclockwise, but this rotation or this revolution is wrong because this is the pole, North Pole. To understand, we need to have solid understanding of the OpenGL coordinate system. Initially, our camera lies at the origin. We are looking into the plane in the direction negative z-axis. So our line of sight is along the negative z-axis. So we are looking at the North Pole. If this big sphere is Earth, I'm pressing Y key. I want to make this Earth stand up straight. North Pole should stand up straight, upward direction. So In this function, I will indent with pushMatrix. Then PopMatrix. So I made a block. Now this is our moon or satellite. We draw smaller sphere, radius 0.2. This is our moon. Then we rotate with respect to y-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. Then we translate. Then we rotate again. This is revolution around Earth. Now we are drawing Earth. So this sphere represents the bigger sphere here. This is the z coordinate because we are looking into negative z direction. So we want to make our Earth stand up direction. GL rotate, angle of rotation 90 degrees. X, Y, Z represent axis of rotation. In this figure, this is Z direction, this is X direction. So I will rotate along the X axis. This is X axis, this is Y axis. So 1.0, 0.0, 0.0, 90 degree rotation with respect to X axis. With this, we have to close it. We rebuild CLSI. So our Earth now stands up straight. The problem is here. Now I press Y key. This does not work. Our moon should rotate aligned with the equator of Earth. But this rotation, this revolution is incorrect. Please note that to make our Earth stand up, we introduced this rotation matrix. This rotation matrix affects not only Earth but also Moon. We restore the back. Now I press Y key. Our Moon revolves around the Earth in the proper direction. But if I introduce this rotation, then this rotation made our Earth and the Moon stand up straight. The problem is this revolution around the Earth. To address this issue, there can be several different ways. I will introduce glPushMatrix, then glPopMatrix. Now I will indent and make block for easier read. With this, we rebuild CLSI. Now I press Y key again. The problem here is that this is our moon. Our moon should be rotated too. So here I introduce another rotation, 90 degrees rotation along the x-axis. I will simply delete this. Now we rebuild CLSI. Now our Earth, our moon stands up. I press Y key. Now it revolves in the correct direction. I want to make our Earth rotate too on its axis. Then I will make it negative here. It is rotating with respect to x-axis. Cut, paste. This is rotation on its axis or north pole, y-axis. In our OpenGL coordinate system, this is y-axis, so we make our Earth rotates on its axis or north pole, y-axis. This is y-axis. With this, we build again CLSI. Now I press Y key.